You know how much I love vehicles, and I know how much you love vehicles. So when the Blender add-ons team asked if I wanted an exclusive 40% off for my community, I just said, hell yeah. That's literally 10% more than everyone else will get on the Blender market. And just to be clear, I'm not paid by this team. I will never mention a product if I don't personally think it's a great product. 40% off only for us and no one else. My job is at least to present you this offer, just in case you would be interested. From this team, there are especially two products I want to review in this video. The first one is the Truck Madness. I was very curious when I heard about this add-on, as the creator is promising nearly 50,000 unique truck designs. So did they really pull that off? Let's find out. To install the add-on, you just do as usual, so it's Edit, Preferences, here you go in Install from Disk, you look for the add-on files, and you install this file. Then you click on N to display your add-ons, you go on Truck Madness, and you click on this little icon. Here you click on Install Assets. You will have one zip file per collection, and if you grab them all, there will be 8 collections. To install those files, you select everything by pressing click and shift, then you click Install Assets. You will have then those models installed. That's it, the add-on is ready to roll. So now let's start to play with this guy. To create a new truck, you click here on Configure New Truck, Randomize Parts, we will check this one later. The way this add-on works is by selecting each part of your truck. You have the main body, the model, the cabin, the front, the doors, the wheels, trailer and load, the paint type and the color. So first you have the model, which I call the body. As I told you, you can have up to 8 different models. Let's select the model G, and for each model, you will have different choices. Let's try the US Heavy Duty. For the cabin, I will select this one. For the front, I will select those headlights. For the wheels, let's try those. For the trailer and load, for the material type, I will go for metallic. And for the color, let's try pure black to bring some sexiness. Then, when you're happy with the different parts, you click on Add Truck to Scene, and boom, we have our truck. Let's test the quality of this beast. So I will install an HDRI, and voila! We can now appreciate the beauty of those trucks. As you can see, it's photorealistic with beautiful lines. And with all the possible combinations, I understand why we can get nearly 50,000 designs. Let's try a render with this guy. So here is a render. It's very clean. I really love the final result. And yes, before I forget, you can use these randomized parts to generate a truck with one click. So you just click here. It will select all the different elements for you, and you just click Add Trucks to Scene, and that's it, you have a new truck. If you want to update this truck, you just click on Change Truck, and you can update the different parts of the truck. When you're happy, you can click on Update Truck Configuration, and voila. Concerning the animation, yes, you can rig those trucks with the Rig a Car add-on. I will put some great tutorials in the description from the creator of this add-on. So if you always wanted to add quality trucks to your arsenal, Truck Madness is a perfect add-on for that. And the second add-on I wanted to mention is the Mega Fleet add-on. I already talked about this beauty on the channel, but with 40% off, I think it deserved a little reminder. The crazy thing about this add-on is those 200 plus cars you will get with it. All the vehicles are already rigged, so ready for animation and photorealistic. And just to be transparent, this add-on will not receive any new cars, but once again, with 200 plus cars, I think you're already prepared to face any type of project. If you want the complete list of cars, you can go on the add-on website. I will put the link in the description. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.